Welcome to Lesson 10. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the future continuous tense. This tense is used to describe actions that will be happening or will be in progress at a specific time in the future. For example, I will be studying at 8 p.m. tomorrow. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the structure, usage, and common examples of the future continuous tense. So let us get started. The future continuous tense is used for actions that will be happening or will be in progress at a specific time in the future. Let us understand the structure. The structure is subject plus will be plus the verb in its ing form plus the object. For example, I will be drinking coffee. Now there are some signal words or clue words that help us identify when to use this tense. These words include when, until, at all day, at this time tomorrow, at 5 p.m. tomorrow, and similar time expressions. Whenever you see these signal words, you can often use the future continuous tense. Now, let us look at positive or affirmative sentences using the subject I. Listen carefully and try to understand the pattern. I will be cooking dinner when she arrives home. I will be eating dinner at 8 o'clock tonight. I will be going to the college at this time tomorrow. I will be driving to work tomorrow morning. I will be coming home on Saturday evening. I will be teaching English at 10 a.m. tomorrow. I will be still waiting when he comes home tonight. I will be playing tennis at college tomorrow. I will be writing exam at 9 tomorrow morning. I will be watching TV until midnight today. I will be reading lessons tomorrow evening. And I will be sleeping when Peter arrives home. Notice how each sentence follows the same structure. I will be, verb with ing, and then the rest of the sentence. Now let us look at sentences with the subject you. You can also replace you with phrases like your brother and you, or John and you. Here are the examples. You will be cooking dinner when she arrives home. You will be coming home on Saturday evening. You will be writing exam at 9 tomorrow morning. You will be sleeping when Peter arrives home. The structure remains the same. Subject, will be, and the verb in its ing form. Now let us practice with the subject he. You can also use names like John or phrases like my brother or your brother in place of he. He will be cooking dinner when she arrives home. He will be eating dinner at 8 o'clock tonight. He will be going to the college at this time tomorrow. He will be driving to work tomorrow morning. He will be coming home on Saturday evening. He will be teaching English at 10 a.m. tomorrow. He will be still waiting when he comes home tonight. He will be playing tennis at college tomorrow. He will be writing exam at 9 tomorrow morning. He will be watching TV until midnight today. He will be reading lessons tomorrow evening. He will be sleeping when Peter arrives home. Next we have the subject she. You can replace she with names like Mary or phrases like my sister or your sister. She will be cooking dinner when she arrives home. She will be eating dinner at 8 o'clock tonight. She will be going to the college at this time tomorrow. She will be driving to work tomorrow morning. She will be coming home on Saturday evening. She will be teaching English at 10 a.m. tomorrow. She will be still waiting when he comes home tonight. She will be playing tennis at college tomorrow. She will be writing exam at 9 tomorrow morning. She will be watching TV until midnight today. She will be reading lessons tomorrow evening. She will be sleeping when Peter arrives home. Now let us look at the subject, it. We use it for animals, babies, or things. You can replace it with the dog, my baby, or a pet name like Snoopy. Here are two examples. It will be sleeping when you arrive home. It will be playing at 5 o'clock this evening. Even with the subject it, the structure stays the same. Subject, will be, verb with ing. Now let us move on to the subject we. You can also say my brother and I, or John and I instead of we. We will be cooking dinner when she arrives home. We will be eating dinner at 8 o'clock tonight. We will be going to the college at this time tomorrow. We will be driving to work tomorrow morning. We will be coming home on Saturday evening. We will be teaching English at 10 a.m. tomorrow. We will be still waiting when he comes home tonight. We will be playing tennis at college tomorrow. We will be writing exam at 9 tomorrow morning. We will be watching TV until midnight today. We will be reading lessons tomorrow evening. We will be sleeping when Peter arrives home. Now let us look at the subject they. You can replace they with my friends, your friends, or names like John and Mary. They will be cooking dinner when she arrives home. They will be eating dinner at 8 o'clock tonight. They will be going to the college at this time tomorrow. They will be driving to work tomorrow morning. They will be coming home on Saturday evening. They will be teaching English at 10 a.m. tomorrow. They will be still waiting when he comes home tonight. They will be playing tennis at college tomorrow. They will be writing exam at 9 tomorrow morning. They will be watching TV until midnight today. They will be reading lessons tomorrow evening. They will be sleeping when Peter arrives home. As you can see, the structure does not change regardless of the subject. It is always subject, will be, verb with ing. Now, let us learn how to form questions in the future continuous tense. To make a question, we simply move will to the beginning of the sentence. The structure becomes will plus subject plus be plus verb with ing plus the rest of the sentence and then a question mark. Let us practice with the subject you. Will you be cooking dinner when she arrives home? Will you be eating dinner at 8 o'clock tonight? Will you be going to the college at this time tomorrow? Will you be driving to work tomorrow morning? Will you be coming home on Saturday evening? Will you be teaching English at 10 a.m. tomorrow? Will you be still waiting when he comes home tonight? Will you be playing tennis at college tomorrow? Will you be writing exam at 9 tomorrow morning? Will you be watching TV until midnight today? Will you be reading lessons tomorrow evening? Will you be sleeping when Peter arrives home? Now let us practice questions with the subject he. Will he be cooking dinner when she arrives home? Will he be eating dinner at 8 o'clock tonight? Will he be going to the college at this time tomorrow? Will he be driving to work tomorrow morning? Will he be coming home on Saturday evening? Will he be teaching English at 10 a.m. tomorrow? Will he be still waiting when he comes tonight? Will he be playing tennis at college tomorrow? Will he be writing exam at 9 tomorrow morning? Will he be watching TV until midnight today? Will he be reading lessons tomorrow evening? Will he be sleeping when Peter arrives home? Let us now practice with the subject she. Will she be cooking dinner when she arrives home? Will she be eating dinner at 8 o'clock tonight? Will she be going to the college at this time tomorrow? Will she be driving to work tomorrow morning? Will she be coming home on Saturday evening? Will she be teaching English at 10 a.m. tomorrow? Will she be still waiting when he comes home tonight? Will she be playing tennis at college tomorrow? Will she be writing exam at 9 tomorrow morning? Will she be watching TV until midnight today? Will she be reading lessons tomorrow evening? Will she be sleeping when Peter arrives home? Now let us practice with the subject we. Will we be cooking dinner when she arrives home? Will we be eating dinner at 8 o'clock tonight? Will we be going to the college at this time tomorrow? Will we be driving to work tomorrow morning? Will we be coming home on Saturday evening? Will we be teaching English at 10 a.m. tomorrow? Will we be still waiting when he comes home tonight? Will we be playing tennis at college tomorrow? Will we be writing exam at 9 tomorrow morning? Will we be watching TV until midnight today? Will we be reading lessons tomorrow evening? Will we be sleeping when Peter arrives home? Finally, let us practice questions with the subject they. Will they be cooking dinner when she arrives home? Will they be eating dinner at 8 o'clock tonight? Will they be going to the college at this time tomorrow? Will they be driving to work tomorrow morning? Will they be coming home on Saturday evening? Will they be teaching English at 10 a.m. tomorrow? Will they be still waiting when he comes home tonight? Will they be playing tennis at college tomorrow? Will they be writing exam at 9 tomorrow morning? Will they be watching TV until midnight today? Will they be reading lessons tomorrow evening? Will they be sleeping when Peter arrives home? Remember, to make a question, simply move will before the subject. Now let us look at some commonly used sentences in daily life using the future continuous tense. These are practical examples that you can use in your everyday conversations. I will be working in Chennai by the time I retire. I will be studying MBA by this time next year. I will be learning English at NEO next month. I will be getting ready for the party at 7 o'clock tonight. I will be leaving for Mumbai at this time tomorrow. I will be cleaning my house on Sunday morning. I will be living with my family in London next year. I will be doing shopping at the mall this evening. I will be arriving in New Delhi at this time tomorrow. I will be flying to Kolkata tomorrow afternoon. I will be building a house in my hometown next year. I will be practicing football all morning tomorrow. Try to use some of these sentences in your daily conversations to practice the future continuous tense. Now let us learn how to form WH questions using the future continuous tense. WH questions use question words like what, where, when, and so on. The structure for WH questions is WH word plus will plus subject plus be plus verb with ing plus the rest of the sentence and a question mark. Let us start with what questions. What will you be doing at 5 p.m. tomorrow? What will he be doing at 5 p.m. tomorrow? What will she be doing at 5 p.m. tomorrow? What will your brother be doing at 5 p.m. today? What will Mary be doing at 5 p.m. today? What will they be doing at 5 p.m. tomorrow? What will your friends be doing at 5 p.m. tomorrow? These types of questions are very useful in daily conversation when you want to ask someone about their future plans. Now let us look at where questions. First, where will you be going at this time tomorrow? Where will he be going at this time tomorrow? Where will she be going at this time tomorrow? Where will your brother be going at this time tomorrow? Where will Mary be going at this time tomorrow? Where will they be going at this time tomorrow? Where will your friends be going at this time tomorrow? Next, we can also use where with waiting. Where will you be waiting for me tomorrow? Where will he be waiting for me tomorrow? Where will she be waiting for me tomorrow? Where will your brother be waiting for me tomorrow? Where will Mary be waiting for me tomorrow? Where will they be waiting for you tomorrow? Where will your friends be waiting for you tomorrow? You can practice these question patterns with other verbs too, to strengthen your skills. Let us quickly summarize what we learned in this lesson. The future continuous tense is used to talk about actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. The structure for positive sentences is subject plus will be plus the verb with ing plus the object. For questions, we move will to the beginning. Will plus subject plus be plus verb with ing plus the rest of the question. The signal words that help us identify when to use this tense include when, until, at, all day, at this time, tomorrow, and similar time expressions. Now, here are some practice tips for you. First, make your own sentences using each subject, like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Second, practice forming questions with different verbs. Third, use signal words in your sentences. And fourth, try to talk about your future plans using this tense. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. Thank you for watching this lesson, and I will see you in the next one. Keep practicing and keep learning.